Good morning and happy Halloween. I'm going to show you how to make Dead Med's fingers. Okay, I'll always wear gloves. So we have, split this into three. 1, 2, 3. And also into 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you take this and wrap it around. And you secure it with a toothpick. Next one. When you do this, try to make sure that the sides connect like this. See? That way it's not going to fall off. Okay? And like that. And then these are going to go into our crock pot. And then we're going to put brown sugar on. And you do that until it's all full. And you put them on for 5 on high or low on 8 and cook them. And when they're done, take them off for a little while because they'll be too hot to eat. Okay, that's it, and have a happy Halloween. See you later.